it is very important that you have come here to deliver your academic work, and I think you have a good practice in Delhi also. That experience has taken you on this. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot. If there are any questions, I will take it.
A detailed response or a detailed discussion, then please hold on to those questions because we will conduct a short Q&A after a couple of presentations. But in case you need something that needs like a quick clarification, we can go ahead with those questions right away. Please, anybody?
Office where we have all the facility like structure designing, MEP, architecture and all that. Is it possible that if you are designing something or some drawings are coming from a structural engineer and those people will have these format or not, how to manage this? Because we are talking about we are addressing to one fraternity, mostly architects. There are certain engineers are also involved, MEP person is involved. Are they should be part of this entire discussion or not? Or they should be included, or we must have certain standardized format in Indian condition so that it can be circulated to entire fraternity, then only we can work out on this. Because I think this is very hardship. We can manage our own office, right, whatever manual we are preparing for us. But when we are interacting to other organizations, it becomes very difficult.
True. If you saw the slide which had the AIA, I am saying that this is again, you have various agencies which are not purely architects. You have engineers, you have other structural engineers making drawings for you, you have a plumbing engineer making a drawing for you. It's for us to coordinate. And I would now suggest, I would like to float an idea out here which I got, and this might be an absurd idea. Why can't we have a similar system of standardized document for the city of Bhopal only? I don't know. Where you would see, you are dictating terms with the engineers and the other consultants. You dictate that term that this is what you have to use. And if that is a standard, this person also knows that I am working with A, I am working with B. If the layering system, both are following the same system, for him to decipher information will be very simple. So it is for us to see how we extend our, हमारा दायरा इतना बढ़ा दें कि हम अपने कंसल्टेंट्स और हमारे साथ काम करने वाले जो लोग हैं, जो ड्राइंग्स के रूप में हमारे को योगदान देते हैं, हम उनको किस तरह से इस स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन प्रोसेस में इन्वॉल्व कर सकते हैं, ये हमारे ऊपर है. ऑब्वियसली वी कैनॉट लिव, हम अपने कुकून में रह के नहीं कर सकते काम. और एक शायद इंजीनियर 4 आर्किटेक्ट्स के काम कर रहा होगा, तो मुझे नहीं मालूम अगर सबके सिस्टम एक जैसे हैं तो आई एम श्योर ही विल हैव अ गुड नाइट स्लीप आफ्टर द end of the day, and his office will also have similar. So it's up to us to see that how we bring the whole scenario, and I would say why not don't let a person give it to you. Let's have series of discussions and workshops where we can work out with some basic thing that might help. It may fail also, but we should give it a try.
Yes. I'm afraid we are a little hard pressed for time because if we want like a fruitful discussion, we're going to have to keep this slightly brisk. So moving on, I'd like to invite architect Vinesh Srivastava. Vinesh sir is he heads the Vastu Vista Property Development Services Private Limited. His organization has offices in Bhopal and Mumbai.
Doing most of the thing basically because we have to finish it in time. And kindly allow me to be kind of being quick onto things, because if there's a question, you kindly note it down, and we'll in the end we'll take them up. First of all, what Amod sir pointed out, that the difference between the architect and the contractor. There's a huge difference between the contractor and the business. It has to be demarcated. I don't know why seniors do not ask the juniors not to get into both of them at the same time when they're starting their careers. Perhaps they won't get time to kind of learn the drawings and mess up both the things, because contractors earn from the money they invest in the project. They do not earn from the drawing lines that they would not make and kind of finally would need to make. This presentation is basically because by the year 99 I was myself proclaimed artist and given a degree of architecture as well. where I had failed in design and lost a year. So you can understand the kind of perception I had of this field and what kind of a practice I am into right now. When I was involved in certain projects like AIMS and Ashima, when I interacted with the consultants in the metro, I realized that there is a huge gap in the practice patterns that we have in a town, in a city, and that we have in metro and that we have internationally. And what is the reason? The reason is simple. The reason is the scale of the project and the multiple consultants involved, multiple heads involved would be coming and telling कि ये यहाँ नहीं लगाओ, इसको वहाँ लगाओ, सोफा वहाँ होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे लाइट होना चाहिए. What do? You say yes sir, we'll do that. Very nice idea, we'll do that. Why? Because you don't know. Maybe you know, but you don't have guts to say sir ये यही लगेगा. And how does this come into you? Until unless you have the X, Y, Z and T, each type of an event, you would never be in control of the design. So how do we do that? Sitting here, how do we do that? What Nadal sir has said, what Pushpa sir would be telling, what Yugal sir will be telling is कि यहाँ भी हो सकता है, it is possible, it is very much possible. A lot of people are sitting here, कुछ के मोबाइल चालू हैं, कुछ का माइंड कहीं और. Why? Because we exist in too many places at the same time because we keep the luxury of that as architects. Why? What is the reason? The reason is simple, we don't have a time. We don't have the basic discipline which an engineer does, which a doctor does, which every other consultant does. Architect has no discipline. Leave apart everything that I am going to talk about, just bring in the discipline and you get what you want. What was the reason that I have brought up so many things here? In short, I will refer to my system, how I work. I keep a small pen drive in my pocket which has all the data. It means all the data. How? Can you open this for me? Flash. It is ICCU current, the projects which I am taking care of. It has senior admin tab, the issues which are governed by my admin to me also as a policy matter of the company. Within a company, it's basically said that if you get a registration from ISO, you'll have to comply to certain norms and you fill the form and you do it. I said no, I won't do that. I have designed a format, you have to test that format, you have to give me ISO on that. They said no. I went to another company, they said no. I went to another company, they said no. Then I went to a company in Delhi myself in person, I met the person. I said, you have a format which is ISO, which testifies that this is the these are the various things and we will recognize this as ISO on these parameters. I said, these are my parameters. What all are non-compliant, you kindly tell me that in architecture and design consultancy and then issue me ISO. They issued me ISO. They had to issue me ISO because it was comprehensive, it was far better than what they were wanting me to do. Later on, I will go to ICU current. These are the various projects we are doing. Back to the folder. Senior admin tab. These are the ready references, ready regular kind of thing. Over here I have fee deliverable accounts. Please open it. It is comprehensive in terms of its content and it's all Excel based. Excel based because it is the lightest. It is the lightest. I can hyperlink, I can use it anywhere, anyhow, anytime. You want me a bank account number? I'll tell you just 5 minutes. I'll mail you that. Most of the consultants they say, okay, wait, let me reach my office. Gone are the days when you reach your office. You have created a system in which you have to reach the office. You might be somewhere, you might be on site. There are school of thoughts, I won't go to the site, I make good drawings. I do make good drawings, but I do go to the site. I have to go to the site. So, my point is that readiness comes out of your preparedness, which is simple data entry, and believe me, all this stuff is one single line entry a day, nothing more than that. Coming back to that folder. We'll switch to this one, the presentation. Open this document, company policy. Getting the basic rights, we have company policy for the staff, for the consultants, for all the appointments we make, and it's simple and easy because it is a single document. It has been processed for the what I want from that person and what he is going to get from my office. Very simple document. And once it is documented, it is very easy to work. As far as multiple consultant processes are concerned, you will have to believe me, at a stage of time, the design goes beyond your hand. You say, वहाँ पे ऐसा हो गया, उसने ऐसा बोल दिया, client ऐसा था, ऐसा नहीं था, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, what not. It does happen, it ought to happen. It is just like contractor telling, sir, होली थी, वो मेरे आदमी नहीं आया. So he just got the news कि होली थी. उसी प्रकार आपको भी अभी news मिला कि you were supposed to be this ready and you were not. That is one point. If you can fast forward it has every term defined, it has everything defined, and later on it comes to furthermore. That's all?
Yes.
Yeah. Furthermore, it has 2 pages. I keep it under my desk whenever I give some authority, some books, some possessions which I feel this is mine. I hand it to a person. I have to because it won't work. I can't do everything, so I have to hand it over. I put it in a note in the same appointment letter, so that for any reason that person leaves, I have that document back and I have the working done. We keep a 2-hour schedule, in our busy schedule, separately for thinking, for lying down, playing, talking and doing this kind of work as you please. We'll finish with that. Thank you. Out of this. Client deliverables. Suppose a client comes to you, say that I've heard from architect Amol Gupta that you are a good architect and I want to get my interiors done from you. Nobody will say no. Maybe it's his first interior, nobody will say no. Believe me, nobody will say. If it's a project in which he or she has little area of concern and exposure, nobody will say. Now it comes to you get into a trap where you feel it's a consultancy, I'll redo, I'll do my homework and whatnot. It doesn't work. It really doesn't work because you have to get decided what all you can drive. If you can drive a car, if you can drive a truck and if you can drive a plane, you need to know that. Until you're not aware of that, you won't be able to work. So I'm not telling that you need to drive a plane. It's very easy, you can drive a plane provided your readiness again comes into picture. All lists of deliverable drawings from a consultant for the what I am going to give to you. If I know that, if I am clear on that, it is an exhaustive list. It has an array of fields and perspectives in which you give the services. Interiors, by its processes, is entirely different from architectural consultancy as far as the drawing delivery is concerned. Entirely different work. Not here. Even in Bombay, Delhi, it's entirely different. So you have to have, kind of the things that you have to make very clearly documented so that you can relate it to the client and you can relate it to the site. We'll go back. I'm skipping my works. I'll just briefly tell you the kind of works I've done. I'm presently working for Island FS, All India, Pan India. Last year we were MB center based. I'm providing my services to very good consultants here in Bhopal as well. I'm giving my consultancy to some limited clients who have kind of tuned in to my dossier which I give them. This is the minimum compliance that you have to do, and that is how we are working. Recently we have opened up in Bombay and we run our admin from there as well. Coming to getting things done. Next slide. Next. Next. So these are the various departments. Now I call my consultants as OPD, as we have in hospital. I call my regular clients, repetitive, sizable clients as their reference document as physiotherapy builders. I call myself, my projects, my work as residential Vinay. I have all songs, music, movies and data that I want to read. Projects are in words. They are being treated, they are being taken care by nurses and the doctors concerned. Likewise, the admin and the accounts and the admin formats. These documents can be generated by you as per your procedures, as per your working style.